As the ready-mix concrete industry has grown and developed, right alongside has come an endless stream of innovative products developed by Arrow-Magnolia. Products and application systems designed to make it easy, effective, and safe for drivers to keep their trucks and equipment clean and safe. Arrow was among the first to introduce a safer alternative to muriatic acid and other products that work quicker and safer. The first to offer a variety of handheld spray application systems to make cleaning faster and safer. And the first to develop the drive-through arch system of spray application, the pinnacle of ease and efficiency.
We've been in this business over 80 years. We've been working in the concrete industry for a good portion of that.
We've been involved in the ready-mix industry longer than anyone. We are committed to staying with it. We change our product line to respond to it.
We've done a lot of experimenting. We have come up with many different products. Some of them green, now we call it. Some of them are non-corrosive.
Traditionally, the cleaning of concrete and construction equipment was done with a bucket and brush. This method wasted not only precious water, but precious driver time and kept the truck off the road far too long. It also posed numerous health risks to the driver.
For years, people have been washing their trucks using a bucket and brush method. They put 4 or 5 gallons in a bucket and they go out there and they brush it onto the truck. The problem with that, of course, is that 30% of it ends up on the ground before it even gets to the truck. So you really are losing a lot of money and a lot of time. And that little 8-inch brush you've got has to hit every square inch of that truck or it doesn't do anything to clean the cement off.
Arrow-Magnolia's handheld spray systems are based upon the latest in spray application technology. They're capable of mixing your specially formulated Arrow-Magnolia cleaning solution to exact measures and applying it to your truck with safety, speed, and precision.
The first system I'm going to talk to you about is called the drum-mounted sprayer. Now this only can control one chemical at a time. It screws into the bunghole, connects up to your standard water hose, and mixes the chemical in this mixing block. It gets thrown out to about 40 feet of hose, and at the end you can either spray it and or foam it by just changing the tip. The next system is capable of handling 3 separate chemicals. You mount it on a rack on some kind of sturdy support system. It also hooks up to the standard water hose. You turn the water on, it'll mix through the mixing block. It'll suck the chemical. Again, this is called Venturi. It'll suck the chemical, mix it with water, and throw it out the hose, which again, we put about 40 feet of hose on here to reach around any vehicle or surface area. And this happens to have a foaming tip. And you can run as many as 3 chemicals in here by just simply turning them on and off. You're in control. The next system we have here is an air sprayer. This is a 3-way button sprayer. Again, it can handle up to 3 chemicals. All you do is turn on the chemical and the air will pump it through the sprayer, wand, leader. Again, it's got about 40 feet of hose. And at the very end, you have a spring-actuated wand that literally will help you control the chemical. Now, the difference here is this chemical is used full strength. There's nothing mixed with water. And by the way, the tips can be adjusted to a pinpoint spray tip or a fan tip. The next system we have here is a water and air sprayer. There is a float tank in here similar to the float tank in your toilet bowl, for example, and it keeps full. And when the minute the chemical is selected, what you do is you select the chemical, and this is you can actually run 2 chemicals through here. You select the water, you're kind of mixing it in the mixing block, and this air pump literally is pumping it out the wand. And again, we have 40 feet of hose on here. And at the end of that wand, you've got basically a spray wand and or a foaming tip. All you have to do is change the tip. It'll spray and or foam. This is very effective because it can control the dilution right down to a very high concentrate as well as a very high diluted chemical. But again, it has its own mixing tank, has its own water air supply. Air is basically the driving force of this. You must hook it up also to water, of course, to keep your tank full. What we've done here at Arrow is give you the systems that you need to help control the cost, control the dilution, and deliver the exact type of chemical you want to your cleaning surface for the best possible results.
When you have a handheld system, you can cover the same amount of territory in about 1/3 of the time as you would if you had to do it a bucket and brush. From a safety standpoint, there's nothing dripping in your eyes, there's nothing getting on your hands. You have a simple system that'll actually mix the chemical for you and put 100% of it on the truck.
It's important to keep a clean truck in our operation for a variety of reasons. We're a rolling billboard for our customers, and that's a reflection of who we are. Our customers see our trucks before they see our product.
and it makes the driver look better. You know, if you drive a truck and it looks cleaner, I think you work better and you feel better as an employee too.
Our cleanest trucks in the fleet, the drivers that maintain the trucks the best, I very seldom see them in the shop. And on the contrast, the trucks that look the worst are in here all the time. And they're the same year of truck, the same truck.
I had one driver tell me one day that when you go down the road clean and your truck looks good, you got less chances to pull over by the DOT.
Oftentimes they'll let our trucks go when they'll stop others and inspect them.
Having the sprayer eliminates a lot of brushing. It eliminates a lot of time. It's a lot easier. It don't take as long to wash your truck off. I think it's just all around a better deal.
With the bucket and the brush, it takes too long to wash, about 2 hours. And with the spray system now, you can wash it safer and quicker in between loads. And it's a better system. I like it.
A lot of time when you use the buckets and brushes, you get flashes of acid coming down, hitting the panel, and it just pops all over you.
It takes about a third to use with the spray system than with the bucket and the brush.
By using Arrow-Magnolia's drive-through wash system, the driver never has to leave the truck. It's the fastest, safest, most efficient, and most resource-conserving way to provide deep cleaning to your fleet of trucks.
The benefit to a drive-through system is it's very simple. You push the button and you drive through. The chemical is applied automatically, and it's automatically power rinsed, and you're on the way to the job site. There's no delay.
It reduces the amount of time that our drivers and helps us control our cost, and more importantly, keeps our trucks clean.
The easier it is for them to clean a truck, the more they'll do clean a truck. They'll keep a truck clean. So this is a benefit for them and making it easier to keep a truck clean.
Yeah, with bucket and brush, take me about 3 to 4 hours.
And with the arch, how long did it take?
About a minute.
So time savings?
Time savings about 3 hours and 59 minutes to be precise.
We've only got so many hours of work in a day, so, if we can go ahead and get stuff done like that, it works out good.
Instead of having to go into picking a 5-gallon bucket up and having to go up there on top of the trailer to clean one, that's a safety factor in itself.
You don't have to sit there and soap your truck down. You just drive through and you're soaped up and you got your acid on it and you're ready to go.
Whether your cleaning needs are light or heavy, whether your fleet is big or small, Arrow-Magnolia International has a cleaning solution that's right for you, handheld or drive-through. Your Arrow-Magnolia representative can help you choose the right method and the right chemicals for your operation. They'll train you to easily maintain it and your drivers to properly use it. They'll stand by you with Arrow-Magnolia's legendary customer support and bring you new and improved products and equipment as they're developed.
When it comes to ready-mix trucks or concrete equipment, we're second to none in the way of providing an answer and a solution that'll do the job right.